This 1955 Chevrolet Tri-5 in bright red and ivory white has been waiting a long time for a second chance. We will restore this bright red and ivory white 1955 Chevrolet Tri-5 carefully, piece by piece, and keep its soul alive. Welcome to SK Restoration. We've just uncovered this 55 Chevy, exactly how we found it. Look at the dust on that wheel. It's barely moved in decades. After years of searching, we found her, the original 1955 Tri-5. She's got a story to tell, and we're ready to listen. All right, easy does it. Just a little further. Yeah. We've got it, slow and steady. Keep it slow, just a bit more. Got it. Perfect, kill the engine. I'll secure the front. Well, there it is. Looks like we've got our work cut out for us. The 55 Chevy is up. Every detail of the disassembly ready to be documented, starting with the body. All right, careful now, just a little more. Heavy beast, there it is. All right, straps are secure. Let's lift it nice and slow. Copy, lifting now. All right, easy does it.
Yeah.
Got the nuts off.
Yep.
Heavy beast. Coming out. All right, that's the last one. Careful now.
Yeah.
Got it, nice and slow. Perfect, perfect. All right, here we have the complete grill assembly from the Tri-5, all carefully sorted and laid out, revealing the years of character they've gained. All right, let's take a look at these brittle seals.
Yeah.
Be careful, don't scratch the paint.
Yeah.
Got it? Just lifting it gently. Almost there. Just one more piece to restore. All right, easy does it. This thing is heavier than I remember.
Yeah.
Just need to get it past the door frame. Almost there. Okay, that's the first strip off.
Extract.
Now for the second. All right, easy does it. Just a little more. Watch those straps. Almost there. All right, that's the last one. Just need to carefully lift this off.
Got it.
Heavy. Okay, lowering it down.
All right, time to tackle the really tough stuff. Let's hit it with some pressure. All right, let's tackle this firewall here. Got to get it spotless before paint. You have to be patient with these tight spots. This original paint is tough, but the grime comes out with a little persistence.
Keep scrubbing that corner, get into those deep crevices. This spot is proving tough to move. Use more water, let's rinse it all down.
Every single piece, down to the last screw, deep cleaned and ready.
A monumental task.
Absolutely. Now the real work begins. The paint is stripped and the rust is exposed. We've got major issues here along the seam and some heavy pitting on the door. All right, everything's ready. Let's make this 1955 shine again. All right, the deep clean is done. But the real work is just starting on this old girl.
All right, time to get this rust sorted. Slow and steady wins the race. Checking the edges, looking good. You want to feel it compress, getting that perfect curve.
The roof seam on this 55 is critical. Carefully treating the corrosion here ensures the paint bond holds.
All right, this is prepped and ready. Perfect lines, no leaks, ready for primer. All right, here's the 55 Chevy fender, ready for primer. Yeah. Now, for a nice even coat on these repaired areas, perfect. Welcome back. Today, we're taking a look at the 55 Tri-5. She's prepped, primered, and almost ready for her new coat of paint.
The paint is applied smoothly, restoring that deep factory red, a perfect contrast to the original ivory white up top.
The ivory white is going on smooth, factory perfect. Looking good, Jim. Yeah. Just need to hit this corner. You see the balance? Bright red, ivory white, perfect factory restoration. Yeah. Absolutely stunning. Look at that gloss. Look at that. The color continuity is absolutely perfect. It's a precise match. Years of experience right here, ready to go back on. All right, first coat is going down nice and smooth. Look at that gloss. Perfect factory match. The finish is perfect. Every detail cured under the lights, just as it should be. The colors, they just sing. The paintwork is finally complete. She's back in her original factory two-tone, flawless red and ivory, ready for mechanical restoration. The heart of this 55 Chevy, fully restored, no shortcuts, perfectly polished, ready for assembly. Yep. Precision fit every time. The engine's finally ready. Every hose, every nut, every bolt, perfect. And the body, just waiting to bring it all back together. Perfectly torqued. Let's get these cylinders cleaned up. With the renewed hardware and fresh bushings, this front suspension is ready for another 70 years.
The heart of the Tri-5, meticulously restored.
Yeah.
Watch as we fit the new steering linkage to the factory specs.
Line it up here. Yep, just like that.
Nice.
Nice. Feels solid. The fuel system's in, fresh straps, clean fittings. This is going to perform beautifully, just like the original. All right, time for the final set. Perfect fit. Let's get these balanced and back on the car. All right, lining up the studs, looking good. Let's get these nuts on here. Just got to give them a good spin. Now for the ratchet, got to make sure they are nice and The wiring harness fits exactly as it should. Excellent, that's a perfect route. Just need to secure this last clamp, solid. All right, easy does it.
All right.
Just a little adjustment here, and that's a solid fit. All right, engine installed, underpinnings renewed. It's almost there.
The mechanical restoration is complete on this 55 Tri-5. She's ready for the interior and final assembly. The heart of the build, ready for its final resting place. Perfect. Precision in the details is key for this 1955 Tri-5. Every stitch must be perfect. Perfectly restored, period correct, and ready for install. And here it is, the recovered rear bench in its original factory red and ivory white. Look at the stitching, the natural. All right, let's get this back in the car where it belongs. Gently does it. There, perfect alignment. The texture, fit, and finish on these newly restored panels are perfect. They match the car's original two-tone red. All right, let's get this perfectly set. Looks good. Nice and tight fit. All right, here's the rear bench. Careful now. Fits perfectly. Another step done. The seat is in. Just a quick polish to ensure perfection. Looks fantastic. This is the completed cabin of the 1955 Chevy. Every detail restored to perfection. And just like that, the interior is complete and ready to roll. The factory two-tone red and ivory white is looking clean and complete. Well, here she is, the 55 Chevy, fully restored to her factory glory. Look at that shine, inside and out. We did it. The doors, the glass, the trim, after all that work, it's finally come together. She's a beauty. We're really proud of this one. Every detail perfect, just the way it should be. The front wheel, fully restored and balanced. Look at that stance. Perfect. And the rear, sitting just right on the new suspension. If you want to see more careful restorations like this 1955 Chevrolet Tri-5, stay with us for the next build. Thank you for watching this bright red and ivory white 1955 Chevrolet Tri-5 return to life, and don't forget to come back for the next restoration.